Let's reset a Windows 10 user account password. I tried to type in my password. It is not working. So I put in a Windows 10 ISO file on my VMware, but in your case, this might be a Windows 10 installation USB or DVD. You'll go ahead and shut down your computer. Once it comes back up, you will want to select the drive that you have your Windows 10 installation media on. You will hit the button to boot from that drive and let everything load up to the Windows 10 installation menu. Once you get to the menu, you will click Next, click Prepare Your Computer, go to Troubleshoot, go to Command Prompt. You will find your drive. You can type in C:, and it'll take you to your C drive. Type in dir. If it doesn't take you, you can keep trying drives until you find one that shows you the Windows and users. Once you find that, you should be good to go. What you'll want to do is make a copy of utilman. So you will type in copy d/windows/system32/utilman.exe, and you will save that to d/utilman.exe. Granted, the drive letter will be what you have, not what I'm listing. I'll go ahead and overwrite this. And then you are going to do a copy d/windows/system32/cmd.exe. You're going to copy that to the d/windows/system32/utilman.exe. That is utilman.exe. You're going to overwrite the file. You have a backup on your main drive, so you should be good. You'll exit out of there. I'm going to go ahead and restart this computer, but you can just power yours down and boot it back up. I'm going to reboot one more time just to skip the automatic repair. So now your Windows should load up normally. And once you are to your login screen, you can click on the Ease of Access button. You will now have a command prompt. It'll say utilman, but it's actually a command prompt. So you can type in net user. The user I want to change is my OS admin user. Now, as you can see, my password still doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is type in net user 0s admin, which is my username I have right here, and then I'm going to type in my password as the password. The command completed successfully. Now, as you can see, I put in my password, all lowercase as I had before, and I'm in. That's it. Hope that helps. Have a good one. Like, subscribe, share if it helped.